In the farthest reaches of the Milky Way, beneath the glow of ancient stars, there exists a council unlike any other, the Galactic Assembly, a place where thousands of species gather to debate, to negotiate, and to maintain peace. But there's one rule, one law that has never been broken. Humans are the only species forbidden from carrying weapons. But why? When Earth made first contact and joined the Galactic Assembly, the universe watched with curiosity. We were young, volatile, and yet rapidly evolving. The Assembly welcomed us, but only under strict conditions. Among them, a total ban on weapons for human delegates. The decision wasn't arbitrary. The Assembly had studied humanity's past, 2 world wars in a single century. Weapons of mass destruction created and used. Artificial intelligence weaponized. Even space itself was not spared from militarization. To the Assembly, humans weren't just dangerous. They were unpredictable. But the real turning point came with what's now known as the Catalyst Incident. In an emergency summit on the planet Viren 4, a human delegate, fearing assassination, smuggled a neural disruptor into the chamber. He didn't use it, but its detection triggered mass panic. 3 species temporarily severed ties with the Assembly. It was a diplomatic catastrophe, and it sealed humanity's fate. But some believe the ban isn't just about fear. It's about control. Human innovation is rapid, chaotic even. In just a few centuries, we've leapt across technologies others took millennia to master. The ban may be a way to limit our influence, to keep the balance of power in alien hands. The irony? While humans can't carry weapons, every other species can. Even species that communicate through electromagnetic bursts or wield biological toxins. Some say it's hypocrisy, others say it's necessary. Has the rule stopped us? Not quite. We've adapted, invented new ways to defend our diplomats. Ways that don't violate the treaty, but still keep us one step ahead. So why are humans the only ones forbidden to carry weapons in the Galactic Assembly? Because we are feared. Because we are fast. Because we are different. And perhaps, because one day we won't need weapons at all. If you enjoyed this dive into deep galactic politics and hidden truths, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, keep looking up.